General Supply and Metals Incorporated was originated in 1947 through the Pattis family. It's always been a family-owned company. We are a metal service center, and we do light fabrication. We serve the waterfront, manufacturing, home building, and various machine shops and trade schools.
We cut regular steel, stainless steel, aluminum. We cut brass, copper, bronze. And because we're right off the coast, we deal with the fishing industry a lot. So a lot of people come to us for AR plates, hard alloy plates, and we do anchors, plow blades. We get into all kinds of stuff.
The reason we purchased both plasma and Waterjet was to be competitive and keep up with technology. Hypertherm has a great reputation for service, the quality of cuts, consumables, and everything else in the market. So it was a great fit for us to do the both at the same time and give us the versatility of expanding in our operation.
Waterjet just has such a great cut quality. It has a very precise edge, very precise cut. The hole size cuts right on point within 10,000ths of an inch. The Waterjet is amazing because it basically is a finished product after the cut is done. We have been using it non-stop. We're able to do a lot of precision work, even decorative, artistic type jobs. The plasma helps as far as getting out parts faster. It helps clean-wise. We don't have to scrape much of the bottom of them. It's a fast cut, very smooth. The edges, very nice. Compared to our old machine that we had, we get a lot more done productivity-wise. It is a lot faster for us production-wise.
With Hypotherm, the consumables are ready available, last longer, and it's definitely saving money compared to what I've had in the past on other brands.
With the Waterjet machine, we do our own maintenance. We have step-by-step instructions on how to change out the seals, the nozzles, refill the garnet. Everything is on the app, making it an easier way to get the process done and get the machine up to par.
With the dual technology of these two machines, we definitely are more competitive, and it opens up so many doors to a lot of different industries that we would have never touched upon. I think we can take it to the next level, probably put in more machines, maybe expand some of the capacity that machines have, and get us more into a fabrication and maybe a finished product house eventually.